Dogecoin value equivalent to 1,611 rands a coin. The present cost range 160,267, 168.13. The earlier day close 160,507. The change was plus 0.104 plus 63%. Backwards rate ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost at 164 rands. Excessive cost 203, while low cost 164. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 180. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 190. Change for June 15.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for July 2024. At the outset cost at 190 rands. Excessive cost 220, while low cost 190. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 202. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 206. Change for July 84%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at 206 rands. Excessive cost 215, while low cost 187. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 202. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 201. Change for August 24%. Dogecoin figure for September 2024. Initially cost at 201 rands. Excessive cost 201, while low cost 162. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 185. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 174. Change for September 13.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at 174 rands. Excessive cost 208, while low cost 174. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 188. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 194. Change for October 11.5%. Dogecoin figure for November 2024. Before all else cost at 194 rands. Excessive cost 194, while low cost 159. They found the middle value of cost 180. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 171. Change for November 11.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at 171 rands. Exorbitant cost 178, while low cost 154. They found the middle value of cost 167. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 166. Change for December 29%. Dogecoin estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 166 rands. Exorbitant cost 188, while low cost 164. They found the middle value of cost 174. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 176. Change for January 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2025. To start with cost at 176 rands. Exorbitant cost 176, while low cost 152. They found the middle value of cost 167. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 163. Change for February 7.4%. Dogecoin estimate for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 163 rands. Exorbitant cost 163, while low cost 136. They found the middle value of cost 152. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 146. Change for spring 10.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at 146 rands. Excessive cost 181, while low cost 146. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 161. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 169. Change for April 15.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 172 rands. Exorbitant cost 187, while low cost 163. They found the middle value of cost 174. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 175. Change for June 17%. Dogecoin estimate for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 175 rands. Excessive cost 217, while low cost 175. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 193. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 203. Change for July 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at 203 rands. Excessive cost 232, while low cost 202. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 214. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 217. Change for August 69%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at 217 rands. Excessive cost 217, while low cost 188. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 206. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 202. Change for September 69%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 202 rands. Exorbitant cost 226, while low cost 196. The found the middle value of cost 209. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 211, change for October 45%. Dogecoin estimate for November 2025. To start with cost at 211 rands. Exorbitant cost 229, while low cost 199. The found the middle value of cost 213. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 214, change for November 14%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at 214 rands. Excessive cost 232, while low cost 202. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 216. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 217, change for December 14%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2026. At the outset cost at 217 rands. Excessive cost 232, while low cost 202. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 217. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 217, change for January's end %. Dogecoin figure for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 213 rands. Excessive cost 215, while low cost 187. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 204. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 201, change for spring 5-6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at 207 rands. Exorbitant cost 225, while low cost 195. The found the middle value of cost 209. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 210, change for June 14%. Dogecoin estimate for July 2026. First and foremost cost at 210 rands. Exorbitant cost 261, while low cost 210. The found the middle value of cost 231. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 244, change for July 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2026. To start with cost at 244 rands. Exorbitant cost 265, while low cost 231. The found the middle value of cost 247. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 248, change for August 16%. Dogecoin estimate for September 2026. To start with cost at 248 rands. Exorbitant cost 308, while low cost 248. The found the middle value of cost 273. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 288, change for September 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2026. At the outset cost at 288 rands. Excessive cost 314, while low cost 272. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 292. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 293, change for October 17%. Dogecoin conjecture for November